press this right here.
Okay.
And now all you gotta do is pull that trigger, it'll go kapow. Okay?
So it's not gonna kick back.
Don't worry about the kick.
Don't worry about the kick.
Look through the scope before you get your finger ready.
Alright, you see that Mountain Dew bottle all the way at the end?
Find it, and then other eye, baby.
Yeah. Back up.
I can't look through that eye. Is that weird? I can't see you.
What hand do you shoot with? Your right?
Just like this.
Your left eye dominant?
I guess. I can't see the other right eye when I do that.
Okay, because I'm left-handed.
If you
but I'm
can't see, you
supposed to
might be
use
looking
this
through
eye.
the scope wrong.
Look how I'm looking through the scope. Look.
Oh, I see it.
You see it?
I see it.
Okay. Now what you want to do is, you want to just barely squeeze that trigger.
Can I do it now? Whenever I'm ready?
Yeah!
Oh! It just hit me in the eye.
What just hit?